season, baby. And we got the vehicle completely packed. You're gonna notice something, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. This video is going to be extremely controversial. So we arrived at the venue, and this one's one of my least favorite load-in lines because you have to go through a corridor to an elevator through the kitchen to get to the hall. So we're all set up here today, ready to rock with Academy of Holy Names for their 2024 Junior Senior Prom. To take a look at the setup, things are a little bit unconventional just because this venue's layout is kind of weird. I have been at this venue before. Longtime viewers will have seen me do 2 sorority formals here. And again, it was just like kind of like the weird how like the venue is shifted with the dance floor location. But this goes to show you, biggest pro tip I can give you is don't let the DJ booth location determine where you put your speakers. As you can see, I ran extra cable to get the speakers on the side. So let's go ahead and take a look at each individual item we're working with today. So if you notice on each side, we're running LD Maui 44 G2 column array speaker. And you guys are probably thinking, I said in the past that you shouldn't use column array speakers for a school. Now this is the one exception just because the venue is smaller and the size is smaller. We got about 130-ish kids. So you don't need to cover as much, you know, like a problem like I did last year, like Shen, you needed like 4 18-inch subs and big point source tops, but you really don't need it. This is more of a wedding venue anyways. And on the side, running the both lighting movers on the Rockville totems and the wash fexes underneath for wash lights. And of course, an uplight to uplight it. Longtime viewers of the channel have seen this a million times. I know I talk about it, it's redundant, but for those who are new, this is the DJ console. And today, more than ever, it's important to kind of have a clean setup because I'm in an unconventional location. I'm off to the side. Yes, they put baby in the corner, but we're running an Odyssey DJ Studio podium. I always get asked which podium this is. It's the Odyssey DJ Studio. Controller is Pioneer 1000 SRT. Running 2 laptops, virtual DJ, and sound switch, or what I'm using for software. And of course, you got the Control 1 and the wireless DMX transmitter over there. Underneath, we got a mixer rack with some Shure SLX stuff and an X-Air. And over here, got the Everse 8 for a monitor, and I'm actually running a blower fan. DJ Ketchup kind of turned me on to this idea just to cool yourself off when you're performing, especially, you know, the energy I bring. It's kind of needed. Then if you notice around the room as well, we're running a bunch of uplights. Got like a photo booth over there, like an inflatable one. Haven't seen one of those in a while, but yeah, a bunch of uplights around the room. This is like one of the venues I pushed people always to go get uplighting because it just makes so much of a difference. Their theme is Tangled, which is one I've never done. So we're doing all the colors to match. And they got the buffet station over here. So I want to pause right there in between the 2 videos because this is actually a 2-in-1 gig log because, you know, the smaller ones, I didn't get too much content, and also didn't have an assistant to shoot video. So I was limited by static camera angles, and I actually did forget at the next one you saw my camera tripods, so it's relying completely off of 360 footage. Overall, Holy Names one you just saw, it was an alright prom. Inevitably, your smaller crowds are going to be hit or miss. Sometimes you're going to get an amazing small crowd, which stay tuned, because the next one you're definitely going to see that. Or you're going to get one that's kind of more tired. I think it was on a Friday, so it was after a school day, so they weren't the highest of energy. But overall, it was good. I still got tons of compliments. And real quick though, before we get into the next video, I want you to stop right now, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, and tell me what's been working for you guys for prom season, or if there's any songs that I've been playing that inspired you. Two quick things though. First off, if you guys do not know what to play at these school events, I know a lot of you guys always are asking for track lists, what's in my crates, etc. Down below you'll find a link to my school crates, which I am still updating, and it's a one-time purchase, and you guys can get monthly updates, and also you get access to a Facebook group. But I'm also launching very, very soon. I think I'm shooting to launch it in July, because I do have some downtime in July, is I'm gonna start doing a sort of Patreon subscription for like further, more in-depth content. Like, you know, I'm thinking about doing stuff on like, you know, mixing tutorials, lighting stuff, sort of how I work the schools as far as, you know, who I talk to marketing-wise, how to track people down, and just, you know, structuring the set, maybe some in-depth breakdowns of these sets where I talk about, like, and just show you raw footage and just talk over it. Also, maybe some user-driven stuff where you guys can request specific content and I can make it for you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna price it yet. Details should launch soon, but comment if you guys are interested in this. Anyways, this next one's for Northville High School, and it was quite a drive, so let's show you the drive. So good morning, guys. It is a new day, and we are doing another prom. It's actually the day after the prom I did last, which was Shaker's senior prom. This one's a much smaller setup, and you know, we got to go load everything up and change everything. And also, as you mentioned, I'm doing it solo. Also, I know I'm not mic'd up right now, but today we're actually taking out a different set of movers. A company called Betopper sent me these out, and we're gonna try these in actual event, because I feel like for you guys, actually seeing them used at an event, what the results are, etc., is probably better than me just talking about them on camera. Open them up and show them to you real quick. I don't have cases for them, so currently just in these nice small little bags. The boxes come with a PowerCon cable, or a DMX cable, single clamp if you want to mount it on a light tree. Here's the actual fixture itself. It's got a full screen LCD on the front to set your dressing and some auto programs. On the back we got DMX in and out and PowerCon in and out. So let's get these packed up. So we've just arrived at Defini. It's a cute little town up here. I've never been to this area before. It's Caroga Lake. It's about an hour drive from my house. It's the venue. We're gonna go check that out. But no, it's like a little amusement park. They got like a bumper car area, and they got a Ferris wheel. Look at that. So I've just finished setting up. Today we're rocking the gray suit. Yesterday we did the blue, although this school's colors are the same, so I kind of should have did the blue, but I didn't want to do two of the same suits in a row because I just like to switch things up. Soloing it today, I'm going to show you guys our setup. You can see it's kind of some overcast weather. It's been nice all day, so if you walk right in, you can see our setup. We're running the two LD Systems Maui 44 G2s. Column array speakers. This probably has about 100-ish students, so column array is plenty. Running these Betopper movers. So these are the Betopper movers I was talking about. Running them on DMX. As you can see, they got a color LCD. Got tons of stuff like fixture settings, DMX modes, pan, tilt, invert, sensitivity, some manual modes where you can set all the stuff manually. Information shows you like the lamp time, temperature, software version, and you can factory reset it and adjust display settings right on. So you get to see a little bit about what those look like today. Fortunately though, I did forget all my camera tripods. So all we got is the Insta360 right in the middle. But I'll try to get some footage for you. So you can see on the back of the light, DMX in and out, and I'm running that up from the S6 Mini that I have at the bottom. Put the mic in the mic stand. That's gonna be a Beta 58, running the usual console. 1000 SRT, sound switch for lighting. And these lights are very easy to program in sound switch because sound switch is position based and fixture type based. So all you gotta do is just quickly program it in. Same thing on this side. Same thing on this side. And back here we have the Everse 8 for monitor. And the Lasco fan making me nice and cool. I really wish I had a second one of those, so last night I could have been fine. Again, got a rack with the Shure mics, flash panel, and the XRX12. Same thing as usual. And of course, we go for a walk around here. We have all of our up lighting. It's like a circus theme, so the red and white. And as you guys can see, we have a social booth. So if you walk over here, got some fun props that are prom themed. And see, it's a sequin backdrop. Actually, circus themed, so they can pick their frame, and then they can pick a background of their choice, and they will be magically transported inside their theme. So, you know, do a little pose, and with the power of AI, the background is removed. And they can instantly share that to text and email. No prints today. So yeah, and then there's the back. Look at our setup. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this early one, 6 to 9. So to get you guys some good footage of the dancing. Please tell me that's what they're feeding us tonight. Update, yes it was.
Let's go! This ain't what you want! Say 1, 2, 3, go!
I'll let the sweat look speak for itself, but the moral is don't judge a book by its cover. 85 kids, and it rivals the energy of some of my bigger schools. I'm shocked. Anyways, I gotta load up the car. Thank you guys for watching. I'm just shocked.